Hello everyone. The following proposal highlights the IT and networking infrastructure for your valuable office for dental operations. While we do realize the importance of your work, which involves focused study, diagnosis, and treatment of disorders of oral cavity, the following recommendations would take care of all your networking needs for your new offices and manage your business strategically so that you can devote all your time to your patients.
Before I start talking about numbers and hardwares, let me first explain to you my basic plan. So we have 3 new office locations, one central location in Milledgeville, one in Gray, and one in Sparta. Building a network is very much like starting a business. We should have the base or the foundation for our network, like the pillars are for a building. That's a server. I would recommend a Windows Server 2008, which would provide a solid foundation for all of your server workload and application requirement and is extremely easy to manage. Windows Server Hyper-V is the next generation hypervisor-based server virtualization technology. Now, once you have your server set up, you would want to make sure that the information that is stored on the server is secure. That is something that is done by a firewall. I would recommend a Cisco PIX 506E firewall because it delivers enterprise-class security for branch office environments and is ideal for securing internet connections. It is robust and purposeful built appliance. Now that we have a secure server, we would want the easy sharing of all the information on the server to our 3 different office locations that we have. For this, we need a router. Router is a device that forwards the data packets between the computer networks. I would recommend a Cisco RV180 wireless VPN router. It delivers highly secure broadband wired and wireless connectivity to multiple office locations. We would be using this in the central office at Milledgeville, as it can be used as a wireless router, access point, bridge, repeater for flexible deployments, thereby protecting your investments as your operations evolve further in future. Okay, so now that we have our secure information from the server to our different office locations, we would now want that this information should be easily accessible by our physical computers and workstations from where we can actually process them. We now need a device called Switch, which would connect all our user devices at our 3 offices and would receive information from any device connected to it while transmitting the message only to the device for which the information was meant. Keeping in mind the future expansion of our office, I would recommend the powerful Cisco RV082 VPN router, which serves as an 8-port switch router, has built-in WAN and VPN capabilities. It has also a built-in firewall which adds to the security. We'll have one of these at each of our offices. Although optional, but I would also recommend a network-attached storage for convenient file management and storing important information of all our patients. But that again is optional and depends on the size of your operations. For the cabling infrastructure, I would suggest Cat6 cables. These would ensure fast and direct transmission of our information at our office locations. Now we come to our user components. These would be present at each of our office locations. I would recommend desktop MK120 mouse and keyboard combo, Acer S1 series widescreen flat panels, Intel Core i7 Ivy Bridge CPUs, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8600, which would serve as a printer, scanner, a fax machine, and a copier, a D-Link day-night home network camera, and telephones to support voice-over IP services.
So now that we understand how our network would be, let's take a more detailed look to our structure of the network. Our main location would be in Milledgeville. It would house the servers in special AC rooms which would be kept locked at all times. It would combine the application, the database, the print, and the Active Directory servers. The connection will be taken from our Cisco RV180W router to the other 2 locations via the ISP. I recommend the AT&T Business Plus DSL because it is cost efficient and its speed is very competitive. Also, the desktop workstations would offer nurses and office workers ease of use and a way to stay organized. These recommendations will greatly increase the efficiency and ease and maintain your business. These ideas would also provide you a competitive advantage over the others. And you would end up getting a simple, secure, robust, and reliable infrastructure. Thank you.